those 2 rows so that we don't have to clear the back row. And I think 30 should be enough, and if we need more, we can call up more. Any questions so far about how they're seated? So 22 is also going to be on this row back here, closest to the door, and it'll go all the way over to 30. Yeah, Mr. Gilbert.
Just want to make sure I got it right. So back row, starting on the right, 1 through 7. Front row, 1 through, or 8 through
8 through 12. Yeah, and we're going to clear out these 2 chairs that move on either side.
And then 13 through, what was it?
13 through 21.
Okay. And then 21 to?
22 through 30.
22.
Challenges for cause, raise those contemporaneously with your basis for the challenge for cause, so that we can address it when the issue comes up. The way you can let me know that you have a challenge for cause is you can either say, I challenge X juror for cause, but if you want to be a little bit more subtle and less confrontational, you can just ask me if the court would like to inquire. And I'll know that I'll take that to mean that you have a challenge for cause. I'll inquire if I need to. I may ask the other side if they want to inquire, and then you'll know if I've ruled or not based on, or you'll know that I've excused them or not based on letting them go or having them stay. And then I'll let you supplement your record after jury selection if you need to at that time. Can't think of anything else. Anybody else have any other questions? Okay. What I'm going to do is take 15 minutes take a 15-minute break before we even call for the panel. And the reason for that is I want to give everybody a chance to have a break, but also because I need a chance to finalize the preliminary jury instructions. So we'll call for our panel at 10:15. Until then, we'll go off the record and everybody can take a break. Anything else that we need to discuss while we're on the record?
No. 1 second.
Go ahead.
As I alluded to when we were discussing the motion to quash, at this time I would ask for a set over so that we could subpoena other witnesses, fact witnesses who were there that day. If the court, which I would anticipate would take a week, if the court's not inclined to do that, I would ask that we be allowed to supplement our witness list as you know, we get into contact with anybody who can testify.
Okay. The set over request, I'll send you down to CPC for that in just a moment because they need to hear any day of trial set over requests, and I'm fine doing that. But just keep in mind that we're on a bit of a time schedule. We want to make sure that we get through the case. As far as letting them supplement the witness list, I'm happy to do that under the condition that if that supplement happens after we have our jury, we're going to have to inquire of the jury after they've already been picked, if they know those people and if they have any problems with those people, and if they do, that might be a basis for me to not allow the witness. Either that or we end up having to burn our alternate.
Yeah.
So that would be the process I'd follow. At least I'd be inclined to. But Mr. Zemmel, what are your thoughts? Would you have an objection to them doing that?
Not in the abstract, but of course, as it comes up specifically, if there's any very new issue, something that I really could not have foreseen, I might want to speak to that specifically, but as far as in general, if it's someone that was present and they're just testifying to what they saw at city council, I wouldn't have a problem with that.
Okay, all right. So, Mr. Gilbert, I would,
Yes.
I would allow you to supplement your business if you want to. So let's go ahead and send you back down to CPC to request that set over, and then come right back up after you've finished with that, and then I'll come out on the bench and we'll check